What's going on, Postcard Marketing Bros? Today's Postcard Teardown is sponsored by FlexFit. FlexFit, it's perfect for when you get a home haircut. All right, let's dive in. All right, so today we have got a church postcard, which I don't think we reviewed on this channel before. Sadly, my scanner kind of ate the bottom corner, so just pretend that this isn't crooked. So I love the image, right? It's clearly for people with kids. It's fun, it's cute. It's like, okay, good, okay. How are you doing on those resolutions? So it really wants to play up the new year. Okay, become a superhero, check. Okay, whatever. Find a workout buddy. Okay, these are things that you can do to, I don't know, I wouldn't say become a superhero, but maybe to make the image work here, and then get back to church. So this is a strategy that I generally wouldn't advise, but in this case, I actually do really like it. I think it's very clever that it plays up resolutions like, oh yeah, like you're right. I do have resolutions. I do want to become a better me. And clearly they've had conversations with people when they see people come back during the new year, and they know that messaging works. So overall, I like this front side. Different. There's no clear to action, right? They don't want you to buy anything. They want you to come to church. So let's see how the back does. Okay, so I love the right-hand side has all the information on Grace Church. It tells you where it is with a Dunkin' Donuts reference, which I appreciate. So everything that you need to get to church is on the right-hand side. So I like that. I also like that they are clearly trying to call out like three different groups of people that really want their kids to connect with other folks, parents with just one kid, and then just single people. So they really kind of want a broad appeal here, and they make that clear with the pictures. So I like that messaging a lot, because what it's trying to say is that all types of people come to our church. Let's new year, new you. I think I would have made that bigger, honestly. Offers a chance to start fresh. Use small changes can make a big difference. Was to get yourself or your family back to church, then come check out Grace Church this weekend. So I wonder who they're targeting here. Like, are they targeting families? Are they targeting individuals? They could have made this a little bit cleaner if they were targeting a specific type of people. But my guess is that this might have been just a blanket EDDM mail around where they're located, which is fine. Each weekend, awesome kids programs, free coffee and pastries. I might have, I'm not really in the demographic of the person that would act on this postcard, but free coffee and pastries definitely would get me to go to a place. Casual environments and real life answer the Bible. So dress comfortably, which I like that, right? They're knocking down barriers, right? Like, oh, I have to dress up in my Sunday best, right? So I think that that's kind of nice that, hey, you can come here and we'll take you. Your neighbors at Grace Church this weekend. So overall, I like this postcard a lot. I think it's a really clever way of getting people drawn in. Oh, like, okay, there's these cute kids. Like, what's the deal with that? Make a few resolutions, check them off early, not too much in the front. And on the back, there's really like, here's where we are. They have the actual address. There's not, I think I would have had a nicer, bigger headline here. But other than that, this is a solid postcard. So if you're doing outreach work like this and you want people to come in, the thing that they do really well that you should take in mind is that people will do something like go to church for specific reasons. Now, in this case, you can see that like their kids program. So you have a place for your kids to be taken care of, that there's their real life answer the Bible. Yeah, I mean, I might have talked more about like community here, if that was one of their benefits. Like I live close to Grace Cathedral, and that's like one of their benefits is like be part of the community and get to know your community. And so maybe I would speak about something like that. But overall, I think that they've done a pretty decent job about addressing the reasons why people would go to church, which is the thing that you need to think about in your messaging. it's really easy to talk about features, like free coffee and pastries is a feature, but a benefit is like kids programs. So like the benefit would be to take care of your, have someone take care of your kids. So I think especially in these kind of mission-driven postcards, you really should think about what are the benefits that people will get going to church in this case. So community, get to know your neighbors, reconnect with your spirituality, get answers from the Bible. Maybe that's kind of a maybe fourth. But overall, good job. And you would do pretty good to copy these folks. Overall, I would say A-. Could change some of the language, some of the headlines here, but pretty good card. Congratulate yourself for learning a little bit more about postcard design.
Congratulations on learning a little bit more about postcard marketing. You did it. You've got two options now. First, you can chat with me live by going to sendwithscout.com and just clicking in the bottom right-hand corner. It's me, I'm there. Or you can subscribe for more of my content where we tear down great postcards. I talk to you about all of my latest strategies, and you too can become a postcard marketing expert.